Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming sticker size and material because the stamp plate and pressure depend on that. Once done, load the roll or sheet into the feed slot and set 0. 1 mm clearance so the adhesive won't smear. Make sure to place an alignment jig or a simple ruler guide to hold the sticker straight. Then set the pressure knob to low for a test imprint. This prevents crushing delicate stickers. You're now ready to make your first controlled stamp. You perform a test stamp on scrap to inspect registration and edge crispness, because early corrections save time. Once you see the result, increment pressure in small steps and adjust the ink pad or foil tension to refine coverage and prevent smudging. Make sure to feed stickers consistently, use the machine's guides or a custom jig for identical placement. When stamping multiple lines, pause between impressions to let ink set. This prevents offset and keeps your production steady and accurate. You complete the run by trimming edges or kiss cutting if required, and allow ink or foil to set before handling to avoid smears. Once done, clean rollers and the plate to remove residue. Store stamps flat in a dry environment to preserve shape. If you notice alignment shifts or ghosting, recalibrate the guides, tighten feed screws, and rerun test stamps right away. This single troubleshooting step fixes most problems. Finally, document settings that worked so you can repeat the process next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.